As a Crestview homeowner, you are always looking for ways to improve the comfort, security, and value of your property. One of the most impactful and valuable upgrades you can make is door replacement. Whether you're replacing an old front door, updating patio doors, or installing new interior doors, this simple upgrade can yield significant benefits in both the short and long term. From enhanced curb appeal to improved energy efficiency and increased security, replacing your doors is a smart investment that will provide lasting value. Here's why door replacement is a wise choice for homeowners in Crestview. Improved energy efficiency. In Crestview, where temperatures can vary from warm summers to cooler winters, maintaining a comfortable home without constantly adjusting the thermostat is essential. Older doors, especially those with single panes of glass or worn-out seals, can allow air to escape or enter, making it difficult to regulate the indoor temperature. This not only makes your home less comfortable but also puts unnecessary strain on your heating and cooling systems, driving up your energy costs. Energy-efficient doors are designed with features like insulated cores, double-pane glass, and weather stripping, all of which help prevent drafts and reduce heat loss or gain. By replacing old, inefficient doors with modern, energy-efficient options, you can enjoy a more consistent indoor temperature while lowering your energy bills. Over time, the savings on heating and cooling costs can offset the initial cost of door replacement. Enhanced curb appeal. Your front door is one of the most visible features of your home, making it a focal point of curb appeal. Over time, the wear and tear on older doors can result in chipped paint, faded finishes, and general deterioration, which can make your home look tired and dated. Replacing your front door is a simple way to instantly boost your home's curb appeal. A new door not only improves the appearance of your home but can also elevate its overall aesthetic. Whether you opt for a classic wooden door, a sleek fiberglass design, or a modern steel door, the right choice will complement your home's style and create a welcoming first impression for visitors and potential buyers. Additionally, a new front door is an excellent opportunity to enhance your home's architecture by choosing a style, color, and material that reflects your personality and the overall design of your home. From decorative glass panels to bold hues, the possibilities are endless. Increased home value. When it comes to home improvements, some updates offer a better return on investment, ROI, than others. Door replacement is one of those smart investments. A new front door, especially one that is energy efficient, stylish, and secure, can increase your home's value. If you plan to sell your home in the future, a new door can make your property more attractive to prospective buyers. Curb appeal plays a significant role in attracting potential buyers, and a fresh, modern door creates a lasting first impression. In fact, replacing an old front door is one of the highest ROI home improvement projects you can undertake, often recouping a large portion of the investment when you sell. Improved security. Your front door is your home's main point of entry, so ensuring it is strong and secure is crucial for your peace of mind. Older doors, particularly those with weak frames or outdated locks, can leave your home vulnerable to break-ins. New doors come equipped with modern security features, such as multi-point locking systems, reinforced steel frames, and impact-resistant glass. These upgrades not only make your home more secure but also provide added peace of mind, knowing that your door is better equipped to withstand attempts at forced entry. Security isn't just about keeping intruders out, it's also about protecting your family. Storm doors and patio doors with improved locking mechanisms and durable materials provide additional protection against harsh weather and other potential threats. Low-maintenance. Older doors often require constant upkeep, whether it's repainting wooden doors, replacing damaged hardware, or repairing broken seals. New doors, especially those made from low-maintenance materials like fiberglass or vinyl, require little to no upkeep. These materials are resistant to rotting, warping, and fading, so you won't need to worry about frequent repairs or repainting. By choosing new, durable materials, you save time and money on maintenance and repairs. Fiberglass doors, for instance, are incredibly strong, energy efficient, and require almost no maintenance, while steel doors provide a similar low-maintenance experience, offering durability without the need for constant care. Better functionality. Older doors often become difficult to open, close, or lock properly due to warping, damage, or wear. A door that sticks, doesn't latch securely, or is hard to operate is not only frustrating but can also be a security risk. New doors are designed to function smoothly, with modern hardware that ensures easy operation. Whether you're replacing your front door, patio doors, or sliding doors, the improved functionality can make your daily life more convenient and enjoyable. Conclusion. Door replacement is one of the smartest investments you can make for your Crestview home. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic appeal and security of your property, but it also improves energy efficiency, reduces maintenance costs, and increases the value of your home. Whether you're looking to increase curb appeal, enhance security, or enjoy a more comfortable living environment, replacing old, outdated doors is a simple and effective way to achieve these goals. If you're ready to upgrade your doors, work with a trusted local contractor who can guide you through the process, help you choose the right options, and ensure a smooth installation. With the right doors, your home will be more energy efficient, secure, and beautiful for years to come.